So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Damn right.
You've got to pimp my
So I had to get back here and actually show you the installation of the subwoofer. I don't have it mounted yet. Looking at some options there. As you can see, having these cables out, a little bit worrisome. Don't want anyone to sit back here and essentially pull anything out. But most likely, I'll put a cage to protect the cables, and then maybe something underneath just to keep it in place. But it's not moving around too much, so I'm in good shape there. But we'll figure something out. So this is how it looks.